There are stories that mark a life, moments that change the entire destiny of a family. And there are miracles that happen not because we deserve them, but because Jesus has decided to write a new chapter. This family, they walked for a long time in uncertainty. Sometimes they lifted their eyes toward heaven and wondered, Lord, do you still see us? Do you still remember us? They went to sleep with worries and woke up with the weight of fear. There was no safety, no stability, but even in the darkness, God was working. Because when you see nothing, God sees everything. When you understand nothing, God has already prepared the solution. When you feel abandoned, Jesus is already on his way to lift you up. And then one day, everything changed. The miracle came gently, yet powerfully. Jesus entered the story of this family, bringing a light that drove away all darkness. Here begins their new story, a story of rebuilding, a story of blessing, a story that reveals the power of Jesus' love. Look at them today. You will see courage, gratitude. You will see a family that had fallen, but God raised them up. Jesus did not only give them peace, he opened a new season in their lives. The first miracle was a job. Not just any job, but one that brings dignity, stability, and hope. A job that allows the father to wake up every morning with a new breath, a new smile. But Jesus never does things halfway. When he blesses completely. And today, this family is getting into their new car. A car that is not just a material object, but a living testimony of God's faithfulness. Look at the father. His hand holds the steering wheel with emotion. It is not just a car for him. It is his future. It is the proof that God heard his cry. Look at the mother. Her smile speaks louder than words. She has seen their difficult nights. She has prayed, cried, hoped. And today, Jesus shows her that her prayers were never ignored. Look at the children. Their joy is radiant. They may not understand everything, but they feel the peace, the safety, and the love that now surrounds their family. Jesus stands near the car, surrounded by heavenly light. His hand is raised to bless every road, every journey, every coming in and going out. He opens a path where there will be no fear, but only his presence. And as his family drives toward their home, the car becomes a sanctuary, a place where praise rises, a place where gratitude fills every breath, a living testimony that God always does far more than we can imagine. Now they arrive home. The house shines with hope. It becomes a refuge, a place of healing, peace, protection, and restoration. Jesus leaves his presence there, his light, his blessing. This family is transformed. Their future is transformed. Their entire life is transformed. Because when a home receives a visit from Jesus, nothing remains the same. And you who are watching this video today, this message is also for you. God is not finished with you. He knows your battles, your fears, your needs, your silent tears. Jesus can enter your life just as he entered theirs. He can lift you up, open doors for you, change your story, and give you your own miracle. Believe again, stand firm, walk with him. For when Jesus decides to bless a life, he transforms it forever. Amen.